Happy Friday, everyone. What a way to close out the week, because the momentum right now is undeniable. US ETF inflows surged 94% year over year in the first 6 weeks of 2026, hitting a record $245 billion. So money is pouring into markets at an unprecedented rate. On the global trade front, Indonesia and U.S. companies signed $38.4 billion in agreements. Vietnamese airlines locked in $30 billion for 90 Boeing jets, and the U.S. trade deficit with China fell to the lowest level in over 20 years, so the rebalancing is clearly happening. Billionaire Mukesh Ambani announced his conglomerate will invest up to $110 billion in AI infrastructure, which is a staggering number, and meanwhile, China's holdings of U.S. Treasuries dropped to $682.6 billion, the lowest since the global financial crisis, so that decoupling trend continues. Now let's talk Bitcoin, because the regulatory picture is getting incredibly bullish. The White House is actively pressuring banks to agree to stablecoin rewards and advance the crypto market structure bill. Odds of that legislation getting signed into law this year surged to 83% on Polymarket, and Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said there's a 90% chance it passes by April. Trump's next Fed chair pick, Kevin Warsh, said he wishes he had understood how transformative Bitcoin would be and called it an important asset that can help inform policymakers, which is a remarkable shift in tone from someone about to lead the Fed. Michael Saylor says he's never been more bullish. Eric, Trump's American Bitcoin, posted saying the answer is front and center as America embraces Bitcoin. The UAE has mined $453.6 million worth of Bitcoin through their partners, and CME Group announced it will launch 24/7 crypto futures and options trading on May 29th, so institutional access is about to go round the clock. In a fun moment, Jim Cramer asked what Bitcoin is levered to, and honestly, at this point, Bitcoin is levered to everything. TradeWeb Markets took a minority stake in Kalshi and is integrating prediction market data into its platform. Over in altcoins, Binance's stablecoin reserves surpassed $45 billion, now holding 65% of all stablecoins on centralized exchanges. CZ said crypto never needed a bailout and never will, and Vitalik shared a thoughtful take saying the point of Ethereum is to set us free, not to create something that goes off freely while our own situation stays the same. Fed official Kashkari said crypto people give him word salad answers about stablecoin utility, which is a fair challenge the industry needs to answer better. That's your Friday recap. Have an amazing weekend, and if you got value from this, make sure to follow. I'll see you on Monday.